Now, laundry room seems to keep having its light switch left on the on position. But you know what is another little thing that really pesters? Why this happens? Like, dang, man. Like, dude. Seriously. Huh? And, the entire toilet seat issue is like, you put it up to urinate when you stand just because you got that much, and it doesn't have to splash on a seat. You see? It kind of makes sense, and then put it down, you know, just because nobody's going to brush their teethies in here doesn't really mean it's not going to have a pool party.